Let's have a real moment here. Life isn't a curated feed. It's raw, unpredictable, and sometimes just plain weird. There's no manual for being a human, but there are some unspoken skills that quietly shape the way we move through the world. These aren't hacks. They're not gimmicks. They're deep, soul-level tools that help you walk taller, breathe deeper, and live with clarity. You carry them in your heart, not to show off, but to stay grounded, even when life is spinning. 1. Dress good. It's not about labels. It's about self-respect. The way you dress sends a message, first to yourself, then to the world. When you take time to present yourself well, even on lazy days, you're showing up for your future self. You're telling the world, I care about me. Think about how different you feel when you throw on something that fits just right. A crisp jacket. Clean kicks. That shirt that just makes you feel like the main character. You walk differently. Your posture shifts. You carry yourself with quiet pride. And it's not about fancy clothes. It's about being intentional. Iron the shirt. Clean your shoes. Wear the outfit that feels like a good mood. Even if no one sees you that day, you see you. That's enough. 2. Eat well. Food is emotional. It can comfort, energize, numb, or heal. Eating well doesn't mean obsessing over every calorie. It means knowing what your body actually needs, and listening to it. You felt it, too much sugar, and suddenly you're anxious. Skip breakfast, and by noon you're snapping at everyone. But when you nourish yourself, like actually cook a meal, drink water, slow down, you feel grounded. Make your plate colorful. Swap the energy drink for water every now and then. Light a candle and eat dinner without scrolling. That's not just health, that's ritual. That's telling your body, you matter. 3. Talk less. Silence is a flex. In a world where everyone's trying to be louder, being calm and quiet is magnetic. When you talk less, you start to notice more. People reveal themselves without you needing to say a word. You don't have to weigh in on every conversation. Not every opinion needs your input. Real power is choosing when to speak and when to let silence say it for you. Ever been in a room where someone says nothing, but their energy shifts the whole vibe? That's presence. That's what happens when you master your voice, and when to save it. 4. Stay humble. No one likes a walking resume. Confidence is attractive, arrogance is exhausting. Staying humble means knowing your worth, but not needing to prove it every 5 minutes. Let your actions speak louder than your need for validation. Celebrate your wins, absolutely, but also celebrate others. If you're in a room full of talented people and you don't feel the need to compete, that's growth. You don't lose anything by being kind. You don't get smaller by lifting someone else up. Humility isn't shrinking. It's knowing you're powerful. And still choosing grace. 5. Avoid drama. Some people thrive on chaos. Don't join their game. Protect your peace like it's gold. Not everything needs a reaction, and not every story is your business. Let people gossip. Let them create storms. You don't have to respond. You're not responsible for other people's mess. Walk away from petty arguments, pointless conflicts, and energy-sucking situations. That's not weakness. That's mastery. Say someone comes at you sideways, tries to start something for no reason. You might have snapped back. But the wiser you. You pause, smile, and keep it moving. That's real strength. 6. Trust yourself. Everyone's got advice. Everyone thinks they know what's best for you. But only you live in your skin. Only you know what keeps you up at night, what lights you up, what dreams won't let go. When you start trusting your gut, everything changes. You stop asking for permission. You stop waiting for signs. You become the sign. You've already made hard decisions. You've already bounced back from things you thought would break you. That voice inside. It's been right more times than you give it credit for. Lean into it. 7. Chase goals. Dreams aren't just meant to be daydreamed. They're meant to be built. Don't just watch others live the life you want, start building your own, brick by brick. Write it down. Break it into pieces. Give yourself a deadline. Whether it's launching that business, finishing your degree, writing that book, or moving to a new city, start somewhere. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to begin. Don't wait to feel ready. Most people you admire started scared. The difference? They moved anyway. 8. Heal quietly. You don't have to make an announcement every time you grow. Some of the deepest healing happens behind closed doors. In the quiet. In the nights when you cry it out and still get up the next morning. You're allowed to keep your pain private. You don't owe your story to the internet. You can go through hell and come back softer, stronger, wiser, without needing a round of applause. Let them notice the glow without explaining the fire you walked through to get it. The most powerful transformations are quiet. 9. Work smart. Hard work is great, but don't romanticize burnout. Working smart means learning to say no. It means understanding your limits. It means asking, is this the best use of my energy? Set boundaries. Learn systems. Automate where you can. Focus on impact, not busyness. You can be productive and still get 8 hours of sleep. You can build your dream without killing yourself in the process. Success isn't about doing the most, it's about doing what matters, and doing it well. 10. Shine anyway. There will always be people who feel uncomfortable with your light. Shine anyway. Don't shrink to fit someone else's comfort zone. Don't mute your joy because others aren't happy yet. You're not too much. You're just too honest for people used to hiding. Be bold. Be kind. Be brilliant. And when they whisper, let them. You didn't come this far to dim down now. We're the bright color. Say what's on your heart. Post the photo. Take up space. You've earned every inch of your light. This isn't about being flawless. It's about being aligned. These 10 things won't make you invincible, but they'll make you anchored. In a world that's loud, fast, and often fake, these are your quiet weapons. Keep them close. Carry them daily. Let them shape the way you move, love, build, and rise. You're not here to survive. You're here to live, with purpose, power, and peace. Keep going. You've got this.